Love mango? This creamy mango mousse is perfect tropical dessert, light, airy, and packed with fresh mango flavor. Let's make it. In this, I have some whipped cream. You can use heavy cream, some icing sugar. You can use normal sugar, bit of vanilla. I'm using 2 teaspoons of vanilla. What I'll be doing here, I'll be whipping the whipped cream until fluffy. Also, I'll put a recipe in the description for you guys who love to make delicious mango mousse. Let me know in the comment section what is your favorite mango dessert, and you can comment below. This mango dessert is delicious and easy to make. This is a dessert you can make and set aside, put in your fridge for a special occasion. You can use it for any occasion. Once this is mixed to a stiff peak, I'll be using some mango puree. You can either purchase some mango puree or you can make your own. So what I'm going to do here now, I have some lovely mango puree. This is very simple. What I'm doing, I'm adding it to the whipped cream. For better contrast, add a little bit of gelatin, but I'll put a lovely recipe in the description for you guys. If this video of any value to you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. So what I'm doing here now, I'm whipping this with the mixer. Make sure everything incorporates properly. I'm adding a bit of salt for a bit of contrast to this. This is personal preference. You don't want it in it, you don't have to. But when you add it, you will taste the difference. So go ahead and get your glass. For a pro tip, make sure keep your glass in the fridge. It helps the process of the mousse. So what I'm doing there, I'm going to make about 3 out of this batch. You can use smaller glass if you want. That's all personal preference. This velvety mango mousse is easy, creamy, and irresistible. Wow, absolutely fantastic. This is really nice. Remember to try this dessert at home and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.